Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
This first slide covers what you need to turn a phone into a Wi-Fi extender. You need an Android phone running Android 9 or later to repeat Wi-Fi directly. Many stock Android builds or Samsung One UI include Wi-Fi sharing features. An iPhone cannot repeat a Wi-Fi network into a hotspot while staying connected to that same Wi-Fi network. Some third-party apps can attempt repeating, but may require root or special permissions. Expect battery drain around 10% per hour when repeating Wi-Fi under light use. Begin by connecting the phone to the original Wi-Fi network and confirming internet access. Open Settings and find hotspot and tethering or Wi-Fi sharing options on Android. If your phone supports Wi-Fi sharing, enable it now so the phone repeats the connected network. If not supported, consider a reputable repeater app that may require root access. Configure the hotspot frequency to 4 GHz for better range or 5 GHz for higher speed where possible. Set a clear hotspot SSID and a strong path. Place the phone roughly 5 to 10 meters from your primary router and midway to the dead zone you want to cover. Use the 4 GHz hotspot setting for longer range and switch to 5 GHz only when speed matters and distance is short. Avoid thick walls, mirrors, and metal appliances between the router, phone, and target area. Limit connected clients to about 5 devices to maintain usable speeds and reduce overheating. Monitor battery percentage and plug the phone into a charger to prevent shutdown during extended use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.